We're currently at Paraburdoo Airport, and on behalf of GEO Exploration, we're going to be flying to the Juno project. With us in the team is geologist Callum Baxter.
We're here at Paraburdoo Airport, about to board the helicopter. About a 30-minute flight down to Project Juno. Should be a good day.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've arrived at the Juno project, and now next to me, of course, Callum Baxter and also Tom. Callum, you're actually the guy who came up with the idea of prospecting in the Juno project. Could you tell us a little bit about how you got, how you came across this place?
Yeah, I first was working in this particular area in the late 90s and realised its potential. 30 years later, I noticed the area was vacant and revisited, and it's been an exciting journey for the past 12 months for Juno.
Now, a little bit about the geography and the topography of the region. My understanding is that this is called the Capricorn origin. Could you give us a little bit of detail about that, Callum?
Yeah, the origins within Australia are a particular type of geology that are prospective for very large deposits. This particular origin, the Capricorn origin, hasn't been subject to a lot of exploration historically, but has turned up a few deposits. We're just applying our intrusion-related gold models to the Capricorn origin, and this is where we've identified the geophysical signatures of potentially intrusion-related deposits.
And across this vast expanse of land, I understand the closest mine is at Abra, and how far away would that be?
Yeah, Abra's a zinc-lead deposit, which is roughly 100 kilometres to the southeast from here.
It's definitely not our first rodeo. We've missed a couple of times before, and we're using a first-class driller as well in DEH1. That company is extremely well set up. So we've had to pull our caravans in, pull our gensets in, various trucks, earth-moving equipment. We prepared the camp area, we prepared the drill rig area, and we've got into action. They are drilling 2 shifts, so they're 12-hour shifts, so we have 3 people on at any one time. So we've been in good production.
Okay, so there are a few different ways that you can drill into the ground, and we currently have a diamond drill rig. Now, a diamond drill rig is one where you actually sink these core rods into the ground, either 6 meters long, 3 meters long, depending on how deep and how wide they want the holes to be. And it takes out intact core samples. We're quite confident about what we have beneath the ground, and that's why we want to see the exact composition of the rocks beneath the ground to find the mineralization with higher confidence. So there are a few different types of drilling into the ground. You can do air core drilling, reverse circulation, or diamond drilling. So would you be able to run us through a little bit about each of them and what we chose in Juno?
Sure, we've chosen the diamond drilling technique for Juno, and it's mainly related to the depth of penetration that we wanted to achieve on this target. This target's quite large and potentially deep and thick, so we wanted a deep drill hole to 1,000 metres, and diamond drilling is the most applicable for that. Other drilling techniques such as air core or reverse circulation, they're suitable for more shallow depths, RC 200 to 400 metres, maybe a little bit deeper, and then air core, so maybe to 200 metres. Whereas what we've got here is we've got solid drill core, which enables us to look at the rocks in a little bit more detail.
We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope that you also share with us the excitement about what we expect to see coming up. I'm Brian Chu, Director of GEO Exploration. Take care and God bless.